Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Data Recovery Advisor. Sometimes you may find yourself in a situation where you might have accidentally deleted call history from the WhatsApp and regretted doing it. If that's the case, then watch this video till the end. I will show you how you can recover deleted WhatsApp call history on your phone with and without backup. If you have created a backup of your WhatsApp call history, then you can restore your deleted WhatsApp call history from the backup using these steps. First, open the WhatsApp app and tap on Agree and Continue. Select the country you live in and enter the phone number, then tap on Next. Tap on Yes and enter the 6-digit verification code that you have received via SMS or call. Once the verification is done, tap on Continue to access contacts and media from your phone. Allow WhatsApp to get required permissions and you will see the Restore Backup page on your phone. Tap on the Restore button and wait until your deleted WhatsApp call history is restored. Then select the Next button. Finally, tap on Next one more time if you don't want to change your profile name, and that's it. You have restored your deleted WhatsApp call history from the backup and you will be able to see your deleted call logs on your WhatsApp account. Just keep in mind that this method will not work if you have not backed up your WhatsApp data before the deletion of your call history. Making these videos require a lot of time and effort, so if you're finding this content helpful and enjoyable, please show your support by liking the video, subscribing to Data Recovery Advisor, and hitting the notification bell so you always get our video notifications first. If you haven't backed up your WhatsApp call logs, retrieving them can be a challenge. Fortunately, there's a solution. A third-party paid software called KidsGuard Pro can help you to recover deleted WhatsApp call history after it's installed on your phone. To get started, visit the official KidsGuard Pro website and purchase a subscription. The subscription process is straightforward. Choose the plan that suits your needs best. Enter your email address to receive the activation code and then download the APK file to install on your phone. In this video, I'll walk you through the KidsGuard Pro app on your phone. Also, you will require an additional phone or laptop to view your deleted WhatsApp call history without backup. First, open the Play Store and tap on your profile icon. From there, select Play Protect, then tap on the Settings icon. Next, toggle off the Scan apps with the Play Protect option to ensure your phone doesn't block the installation of the KidsGuard Pro app. For a smooth installation, I'll log into my KidsGuard Pro account on my laptop. This way, I can download the KidsGuard Pro APK file onto the phone. Once the APK is downloaded, open it and select Install. After the installation is complete, launch the KidsGuard Pro app on the target phone and tap on Agree and Continue. Finally, KidsGuard Pro will prompt you to allow to activate access data on your phone. Once you have given the required permissions, a new page will open on your phone. Tap on Start Monitoring and wait for a few seconds till the setup is finished. Now, let's see your permanently deleted WhatsApp call history on your KidsGuard Pro account. First, sign into your KidsGuard Pro account on your laptop and select the App Live Recording from the left side menu and tap on App Calls. Here, you will see the list of all social media messaging apps that you have installed on your phone. Just tap on WhatsApp and all the video and voice calls will appear on the right side of the screen. You can listen to and download the permanently deleted WhatsApp calls you made on your WhatsApp. This feature kicks in after you have installed KidsGuard Pro on your phone, but it does not show the permanently deleted call logs before installation. Losing your important WhatsApp call logs can be a frustrating experience, especially if you did not create a backup of your WhatsApp data. In this dire situation, a third-party service like KidsGuard Pro may help you to prevent your WhatsApp call logs from permanent deletion. If you're new to our channel, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor and hit the bell icon for regular video updates from us. Also, watch these related videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.